Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to solve an GFG practice question which is named as find a pair with given target in BST. So in this question, you will be given an BST in which you will be given an target which is called as sum. You have to find two such nodes whose addition will be equals to that sum. So for an example, according to first example, we have in 3, 2, 1 and 3, and the sum should be equals to 5. So we can see that 2 plus 3 gives us 5. 2 plus 3 gives us 5. Okay, so in this case this will be the answer. So and you have to return in this case 1 or true, else you will return 0. So let's check the second option, the second example for this. So the second example is like 6, 5, 3, 1 and 4, and the sum is 2. So there is no possibility in this after addition which will give us result 2. So we will return 0. So let's approach this question. So from this we know that in order of an BST is always sorted. So here is a code. We will first save the in order of our tree in our vector. So here is the example number 1. So let's save it in a vector. In order will be 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3 will be in our vector. Then after we have initialized it, then what we are going to do? We are going to apply our an operation. So we are going to define s with 1, 0th index and end with the last index size equals to size equals to 0. We are using two pointer approach in this question. So first we are going to run a while loop algo. We are writing the algo which when size s is less than equals to e. In this while loop we are first going to save the sum of 1 plus 3 in first case, because our s is pointing to 0 and end is pointing to last, so it will give us 4. Okay, so if our sum is less than our given sum, so in this case what we will do, if we in decrement e, and if we do e minus minus, our answer will be decreased, or and if we increase our s plus plus, then our answer will be equals, the answer will also increase. So let's increase I plus plus, so we will get 5 as our sum. So we are just doing the same in our code. So after finding the in order of our question of our BST, we are going to check if our sum is equals to target according to this line. Then if this is not, if the target is greater than sum, then we will simply add 1 to the start. Okay, and if our target sum is less than sum, then we will just decrement e by 1. And if we get, and if the answer is true, then it will return from the statement else. After this loop has been ended, there is no possibility that answer will be true, so we will return false. So let's submit this code and see what is our output. So our question has been solved successfully.